I'm here in Monterey Bay today, out in Southern California. Well, I don't know if it's Southern California, but it's a nice sunny place. And I'm here with a young lady from Botswana. What is your name?
My name is Pertunia. I'm from Botswana. I'm in Intern in Monterey Bay Nursery through the Ohio University.
Awesome. And can we call you Pertunia? Because everybody seems to call you Pertunia around here.
No problem, because that is a flower and I'm surrounded by this beautiful flowers.
Yes,
Yeah.
I see this. It's
Yes.
amazing. So, how is it going for you so far, Pertunia?
So far, everything is going well. People here are very, very welcoming. They made sure that I was comfortable, and they made sure that everything that they do here, they explained to me. Even though there is a language barrier, they made sure that they gave me someone who can translate for me so that I can understand quickly. And I'm learning the language.
You're learning the language,
I'm
yeah?
learning
You're
the
learning
language.
poquito español,
Poquito.
huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you were telling me about Fernanda over there. She
Yes.
took you to a market, which
Yes.
is nice to do that.
Yes,
And
she's a very nice lady.
Yeah.
She actually asked me if I need anything at the house, and she offered to take a ride. And we went there. She bought me food.
Oh,
so they are
that's
really,
so
really nice,
nice.
people. They offer you food even during break times when I don't have food. They actually offer me food, and
Yeah.
that is pretty much okay.
you say about the house. Are you in a house? Do you feel safe in the house?
Definitely, yes. My house is very, very nice. It's very near the work area, so
Right.
I would say there is another person who's located right down there. Anytime I feel like I'm not safe, I'll always call, and I can always lock myself
good.
inside the house. Yeah.
Absolutely. It's important for people to feel safe. Now,
Yeah.
what about your training here? You said that they're teaching you everything.
Mm-hmm.
What about your visa? Like coming from Botswana, was it difficult to get a visa to do this whole process of the training, kind of in that sense?
No, not at all. I just went to the embassy with all the documents that were required. I went there. They asked me if I'm coming here to work or to do everything, and I told them that I'm coming here as an intern to train.
Yeah.
So they just didn't take me too long. It took
Oh.
me less than 5 minutes, I'd say.
That's good.
Yeah.
So, because what university did you go to in Botswana?
Oh, I went to Botswana University of Agriculture and Natural Resources.
Okay.
Yes, I was doing degree in food science and technology, but as soon as I got out of school, I was in an intern outside the country.
You went
So-
to Israel.
Yes, I went
Yes.
to Israel as an intern as well. I went there to train, and coming here in Ohio with the Ohio University, it was a good opportunity for me to add on to what I've learned in
Yes,
Israel.
yes.
So I would say it's a very, very good opportunity for me to actually enhance my skills. As much as I'm a food science and technologist, I need to make the food from the ground up.
Yes.
And me learning how to take care of the plants from their
Yes.
little stages and up until we offer them to people. I would say it's a good thing.
Good thing, yes.
Yeah.
And what about, you come here, do you see a benefit of this kind of training? Like we talked earlier about the quality control, about the marketing. Is that going to help you when you go back home?
Yes, as someone who wants to venture into the vegetable production industry, this is something that I'll be basically doing, making sure that I produce one of the best good quality products. I make
yes.
sure that from the stages that they are very, very small, I take care of them up until the last stage that they go out.
Yes,
So as you see
yes.
this plant, we made sure that it was safe even from its little stages up until you see these beautiful
Yes.
flowers.
Look at the quality.
Yeah, the
Look at the
quality is very,
quality.
very good here.
It's amazing
So,
quality.
yeah.
And this is a consistent. You see it in
Every day,
the
yeah.
export outside.
Yes, yes, and
Yes.
we actually do pick this for
For-
retail. Yeah,
yeah.
We do that. So that's
And this is
that's
good
really
for you for marketing. You
Yeah.
know you must produce quality.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So
definitely. This
so
is
tell me about like socially. Have you been out to see anything with Fernanda, or have you gone to the market, or you-
I went to the market with Fernanda, like I said, and we went to another nursery that is a competitor for this nursery that we are in with Mr. Luen
Oh.
and Ronnie. So it was a good experience for
Yeah.
me to see everything and compare it to here. Like here, we are producing quality, like the
Quality.
best quality you'd ever
Yes,
have.
yes. And now you're going to be going to cultivate soon and back to Ohio, right?
Yes, yes. I'll be attending the Cultivate, and yeah, I'm open to learning. I want to experience and meet great people,
Yes.
and that will be very, very good for my future as
Yes.
I want to venture into this business. I'll make contacts there, and I'll be definitely enjoying my time in the Cultivate.
Awesome. Well, listen, we really appreciate you coming on the program from Botswana. Let's hope we can find a professor in Botswana who will encourage other students to come. And because we can clearly see, having been in Israel, you are much sharper, much more switched on, much more attentive. All the people here say you're very good. And let's hope we can find somebody to find more good students like you. We want to thank you for coming and enjoy the rest of your time here.
Thank you, Mr. Mike.
All right. Take care.
Thank you.